What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Raphael from Mutant Mayhem. Drew Leonardo from Mutant Mayhem, and y'all seem to like it. So I'm going to draw Raph, and then I might draw Michelangelo and Donatello. Let's give this a go. Let's try and draw this guy. Landscape page, pencil, eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his head. Head's over here. He's in like a fight position. Frown. Ticking up, down, right? His eye then comes out from underneath there. Like so. And then he's kind of looking up from there, and the pupil inside. So then the other frown. Here, down around like so, and he's looking up and to the left. Iris, half circle, pupil, just there. Might bring that frown a bit further down there. Right, so like a bit of frown line going that way. So his mask. His red mask comes around here, over the nose a bit, up that way, and then it bumps around the back of the head, and his eyebrow here, up, over, and back down the back of the head. And they do it like in a sort of real sort of cartoony style. They might have some like zigzag lines and stuff. Some fabric just there. So, green part of his face, so big cheek for his jaw, curving that way. And then it comes down and kind of bumps down a little bit more for his chin, back up. So this is like his chin, very subtle curve, and then it comes back into there. So he's got teeth, right? So he's got like an open sort of mouth here. It curves around and goes up to there. Right, looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up and add some teeth in there. Right, and then like a bit of a shadow just in the corner of his mouth, and then you can add some teeth lines just here. And they do like to add like some extra lines and stuff on the snout and stuff. They have extra sort of, it's just the style they draw it in. Right, so then the back of his ninja headband sort of drawn in like so. Blowing in the wind. Okay, so that's his head basically. So he's a fork coming across this way, right? And his hand is sort of, he's holding it like his fingers are in between the fork, right? So what's the easiest thing to do? We'll go, he's got only 3 fingers. Yeah, so we'll go just underneath the chin. We'll put this hand, right? Curved line here, and his finger comes across, down, and then goes behind the next finger. There. And then the thumb and the back of the hand here. And then the hand comes around like so. Look at his wrist. There's like some knuckle lines on this. Right, so the fork basically comes out here, and he's got like 3 prongs, so it's like spiky there on that side, and then this one comes out here, right, and then there's a big long one that goes this way. Right, and it's got like lines down the middle just to make it look a little bit 3-dimensional. Like that, right? So in this hand has like a wristband, a red one. It's kind of bumpy. Strapping going around his wrist. And then his forearm comes out to his elbow, which has like a big elbow pad on it. And so this has like more sort of bumpy lines. And his elbow there. Right, so this is like an elbow pad. Like a skater's sort of elbow pad fabric thing. And then we see his bicep, and his shoulder just goes in to his face, right? So like that, your shoulder generally is that shape. So his other shoulder and his other arm. So we can see like his neck and then other shoulder muscle just sticking out this way. So like another shoulder here. And we got some shell this side. This is like the top of his shell here. Goes underneath his armpit. In Mutant Mayhem, it's like real square sort of shells. There's not crazy detail or anything. And then, so the rest of his arm, tricep, comes down that way. His bicep sort of goes in here. And then we have another bandage or red elbow pad on him there. Like kind of like textures, like little bumps and stuff. So let's see. So like the rest, so he's got like a big shell, right? So this bumpy sort of thing here. Before I do the other hand, we'll just get this sort of drawn in there. So that's like the big shell. And it goes behind his body this way. Real bumpy. Comes around here. And it's kind of got a strap on it here, and then he's got a pouch, right? So like a rectangular bag. Like that, and then a band that comes across, but he's got like Raphael circle here. Now there's like bandages coming across. There's like another R. It's like tape or something. And then R. Then like edge lines going around. And then this has this rest of the belt going that way. It's got like texture lines and stuff on it. So this belt then goes underneath his arm. There. And then we got like some shell or something running down this way. It's like his, you know, the shell that's on his body. And that runs up here. And it has lines down the middle. And this will have sort of edge lines to make it look a little bit bumpy. Like it's broken up into different sections, you know. And it has like squiggles and scratches and stuff all over. And I think his knee just comes out this way. He's got a knee pad on. And so that's like his knee. And then brown shell at the back here. That's this. And then his other leg. Another knee pad. Like that. So he's in like a real fight pose stance. And right, so then his wrist and the other hand, right? So we go just down this way. And then a wristband. I can't see all the wristband because of the handle of his fork just in his hand here. We'll draw. So we'll go knuckle there. And then it looks like his thumb comes out around here. And the palm of his hand kind of goes that way. So this is like his thumb. And then we can see a fork line just going this way. It's kind of curved. There. And then a finger going in behind his thumb. Like real square sort of bottoms on them. And then another finger coming this way. His third finger. Like so. And then the handle of his fork, just like it's got like a square top here. And it's all rough sort of handle shapes like that. And then the spiky part. The long spiky part. All right, and then like that. Okay, I think that's everything. That's how to draw Raph. Wait, this belt, weird. Does that go around? It seems to go like around here. Just after seeing that. Lucky I did. Seems to go around his shell as well. The inside of the shell is like brown and stuff. Okay. Raph from Mutant Mayhem. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.